We all invest in things that are important to us. Our families, our communities, and ourselves. And we do the same thing in our professional lives. We invest in the ideas, the projects, and the products that might provide truly remarkable outcomes. But how can we know whether or not a new idea is truly worthy of the investment required? Credera helps companies get real customer feedback on any of their best ideas, and to do so without a significant amount of investment. It's called a design sprint. A design sprint is a week-long experience that's created to get your best prioritized ideas in front of the very people who would be using them. It's fun, intense, and immersive. It takes organizations through a process of generating solutions to their challenges and then creates high-resolution prototypes of the most promising solutions. And it all culminates with user interviews that are designed to get the prototype into the hands of real users. So if you live in the tension between pushing the best ideas forward and not wasting precious time, money, or energy, you're not alone. But what if we could resolve some of that tension? What if we could make it less intimidating? Give us 1 week. We'll give you the insights you need to decide whether your idea is worth the investment. This is where possibilities are transformed, and this is where extraordinary continues.